Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. Today we're diving into the world of industrial control systems, or ICS, and exploring their common components. Understanding these components is crucial for maintaining the security and efficiency of industrial operations. Let's break it down. At the heart of any ICS are the field devices. These include instruments and sensors that measure various process parameters, as well as actuators that control the processes. This is where the ICS interfaces directly with the physical processes, such as mixing chemicals, managing train systems, or measuring pressures in gas pipelines. Sensors and measuring instruments, known as input devices, collect vital data about the process and feed it into the ICS. On the flip side, actuators like switches and valves, known as output devices, execute the necessary actions to control the process. This continuous exchange of input and output data, often referred to as I/O, is essential for the smooth operation of industrial systems. Safety systems are the guardians of industrial operations, providing critical protection to processes, equipment, and personnel. In the event that a process exceeds its allowable control parameters, these systems step in to prevent harm, even if it means halting production temporarily. While this might lead to a loss of productivity, it ensures the safety of equipment and human lives. Traditionally, safety systems are designed to operate independently from the control systems they protect, though they often share some communication channels, field devices, and alarm systems. Field controllers play a pivotal role in consolidating inputs and outputs, translating operator instructions into actions in the field. These controllers can be programmed or updated remotely, and are designed to operate within a trusted environment. When a command is issued, they respond promptly without authenticating the command source, which can be a security concern if not properly managed. The Human-Machine Interface, or HMI, is the user interface of the ICS, providing a visual representation of the control and monitoring system. Previously known as Man-Machine Interface, or MMI, HMI is typically run on computers that communicate with specialized controllers like programmable automation controllers, programmable logic controllers, or remote terminal units. HMIs can be touch panels or software-based applications accessible on personal computers, workstations, tablets, or smartphones, offering operators an intuitive way to interact with the system. Servers are the backbone of the ICS, storing configurations and process data for later retrieval and analysis. These servers connect to business networks, enabling remote operations, configuration, and information exchange to enhance productivity and operational efficiency. Engineering workstations are specialized HMIs that interface with servers and controllers to modify databases and ensure critical processes run smoothly. As we continue to bridge the gap between IT and ICS architectures, understanding these similarities will help us address cybersecurity challenges more effectively within the ICS domain. That's all for today's overview of common ICS components. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.